Whose flag is that?
What happened over here?
Push down.
Let's go. We're gonna stunt.
Hike.
Well, get to it. Oh shit. Yeah. Oh! Yeah.
Hey, what are our times?
Well, heads up, heads up.
I'm trying to push him out, but then Vince is coming in. He's picking up.
Back up. As soon as the ball's hiked, back up away from me. I'll take Drew.
We've been caught.
Whoa.
Offside. Hurry up!
You see right here? I'm gonna stay with Drew. You come across.
Okay.
Set. Hike.
Come on, get you out here.
Good pull.
Pull up your pants.
Good job, Jay.
If you can't pick him up, AJ pick him up. Whoever's got the speed, because he's coming in on the opposite.
What side do I look with the switch? I'll take Drew's side.
Huh?
Where's the first?
Which side do I look at? You said pick him up.
Look for Vince.
Watch your middle, you go right.
Yeah. No, I got it right here.
I know.
You're looking for him.
I got him. Watch here.
Move out of the way.
Richard!
It's third right now. It's fourth, isn't it? I thought it was third.
It's three, guys.
We got a first.
Down.
Got a first down on
Good.
drop.
Set. Hike.
One out, get
You were down. My guy's gonna live back there.
Is it fourth right now?
Yeah, I got elbows right now. What the hell?
That's why you need these pads, yeah?
I know.
Yeah, Don, I was on the
Shut
other
up!
side.
On the other side. Down.
That's my bad.
Go for it. Where's it gonna go? It's gonna go. It's ended up right here anyway.
Let's kick a 50-yard field goal. Let's kick a 50-yard field goal. Heads up, guys. Heads up.
Heads up, Drew. Heads up!
That's why you're on the line.
I was hoping it would hit him in the head.
Hey, watch for blitz.
Watch it.
Set. Hike.
One out, get to it. Give it him.
No.
Give it to him.
Blackguarding twice. Okay, down over there where Drew got him. Down where Drew got him. Dang, Drew got all the way over there.
Yeah, because he didn't get into the field.
That was 10 yards penalty. Down.
That's good.
My arm come low?
I actually don't know the rule about that, Jason.
What?
Guarding is
You can't do that or you can't do that.
You can go up, you can't get down.
He went down.
Hey, what? Get out here!
What? You can stiff arm.
But you can't do that.
Yeah, you gotta keep your hands up. Guys forgot somebody. You,
He's right there.
hey!
Minor details.
Switch, let's go on this side.
Ready!
Watch it! I got two.
One alligator, two alligator.
Dave, plan on coming here? But you guys got here first.
Yep. Yeah, like at 6:30.
Yeah, I heard the guy on the phone. There's a kid.
Three here.
Hike!
One alligator, two alligator. Drew.
Third down?
Hey, watch the running back in the back. He's wide open on that. I got it.
Don't watch hands. I'll make sure I look.
Let's go.
Hey, Trip! Look, Trip!
I'm on Trip.
Ready!
Watch it.
Hike!
Short Trip.
One alligator, two alligator.
Let's blitz!
How far do we have to go?
You're going for it? We got like 5 yards.
Which cone?
That cone right there. That guy. Yeah. So it's that cone right
get you.
Yeah, they didn't move enough, right? They didn't make it.
Wait. Who says the line of scrimmage?
What are we doing?
Then you're going for it.
We just need this cone right here, right?
Yeah.
Get up on it. One alligator too. Oh, never mind.
Sorry, my bad.
I know, that's why I was like, alright.
He didn't call the blue.
Yeah, he called it.
Oh, but you didn't call it before.
One interception.
It's the same as the punt. I thought it was the other kick calling.
We gained yards
That
on
was-
this one.
Not in my house.
The trend continues.
That's one. We got one on him.
Yeah, somebody get on 12.
Here's my 4.
Catch up. We have too many people on the line.
Hey, right here! I'm gonna be right here. I want to do one. Well, maybe if somebody else goes up there.
Running back and watch that guard. They got 6 people on the line.
We need one more on the line, right? One more.
Tight end right here.
Well, I get it.
Oh my God.
Number 6 pick, baby! Woo!
Where we at on line? Where we at on line?
You mean?
Who we got?
I know, but I went off of.
Yeah, I think somebody else. I was on the line.
Oh, did it?
On the left side. You're on the left side.
I got Luke.
Here, I'll play line.
sorry.
There goes my dream.
What?
Where were you? No, you're good. Next series.
It was really for a break.
Moving.
That was close.
This is the matchup right here. I don't want to go away from it.
That's alright, help her.
Set!
One alligator, 2 alligator.
Fuck! Go, Ken! Go, Ken! You're good. You're down. That's 2 of them. That's 2 of them.
It's right here.
3 completions in a row.
He's a better quarterback than Jeff.
Alright, let's get it back.
You guys want to do quarter after the series? Quarter after the series? All right.
I'm okay with that.
All right.
Nobody is complaining.
That's good.
Yeah, water break.
Water break after this. Move, though.
You here?
Hold on. Why do we have 2 over here? Why do we have 2 over here?
There's 3 over here.
Yeah. Oh, I thought that was on the line. You're good.
Wait, hold on. Is he eligible? He's got his flag stuck in. Is he
No,
a second?
Eric, pull your flags out.
Oh,
No,
man.
he's... Okay, Eric, you're on the line. Pull your flags back in.
No,
Eric,
no.
pull your flags.
AJ, 1, 2. Oh.
Hands off. Eric.
No, you're on the line.
No. Eric, come here.
I mean, yeah, Eric.
Pull your flags off. Ken's tight end.
Well, I got 2 alligators.
I gotta switch side of this camera, dude. Everyone's coming on the right is banging on people.
Is that what hit me?
I think. Because I know I've been hitting freaking Drew in the chest with this thing. I gotta move it.
Is this our first down?
That's why I started trying to hike this way.
Yeah, I've been getting it in the chest every play.
Watch blitz.
Well, I got 2 alligators. You're like collapsed. 3 to the touchdown.
Where's down?
Heads up.
Is that a first down?
Yeah, look like it. I think it is.
Yeah. First. You come loose. Come loose after the
Well, I got 2 alligators.
Yeah!
That's a good hold.
Yeah.
Good action, Yogi.
Lock his vision.
Both of them.
You got this one? You good with it?
Yeah, yeah. We'll push him this way.
No, because I got this one right here.
John's here.
How about Jason?
I got Vince here.
Set. Hike.
Come on, guys.
You got loud. You got loud.
Got your flags.
You got loud.
Yeah. Heads up.
Heads up.
Well, they should be a receiver.
Where was it right here?
Why's that going in the middle?
Where did that cone come from? That cone right there?
Watch mid.
Was it third?
Watch blitz.
Is it third?
Second.
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 Set. Come on, get 2 alligators.